You want to know who viewed your Facebook profile? You want to know who visited your Facebook profile? Is this possible on Facebook? Is it allowed on Facebook? Let's find out. We are heading to the Play Store now. Let's get to the Play Store. I will type who viewed my Facebook profile. Who viewed my Facebook profile? From here, you can see there are so many apps that claim they can help you to find out who viewed your Facebook profile or who visited your Facebook profile. You can see so many of them. So many apps claim they can do this. You can see them. All of these apps are malicious. Don't download any of these apps. They will end up taking your personal information. They can even hack your Facebook account. Don't download any of these apps to know who viewed your Facebook profile. Okay? Don't download any of these apps that claim they can help you track who viewed your Facebook profile or who visited your Facebook profile. They will end up getting personal information about you, about your Facebook account. They will harm or even hack your Facebook account. All right? So let's get to Facebook now. Let's get to Facebook. Launch the Facebook app. Click on the three lines at the top right hand corner here. The three lines at the top right hand corner. Scroll down to help and support. Help and support. Click on the help center. Let's get to the help center and ask who viewed my Facebook profile. So here, hi, how can we help you? I want to know who viewed my Facebook profile. So I will type how can I know who viewed my Facebook profile? We would like to hear from Facebook. We are asking the help center now. How can we know who viewed our Facebook profile? Can I tell who is looking at my Facebook profile? The third option now. Can I tell who's looking at my Facebook profile? I'm going for this. No. You can see the answer is no. Facebook doesn't let people track who views their profile. Third-party apps also can't provide this functionality. If you come across an app that claims to offer this ability, please report the app. You can hear it from Facebook now. There is no app that can tell you who's viewing, who is visiting, or who is looking at your Facebook profile. It is not allowed on Facebook. If you are downloading any app to help you track who is viewing your Facebook profile, you are taking a great risk. These apps are harmful. They can hack your Facebook account. If you have any of them already on your phone, you better delete them now. They are not allowed. Facebook doesn't let people track your views on your profile. Okay? Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.